Osmanthus jelly is Chinese-style jelly. It looks good, tastes good, and also good for health. It is simple dessert which can heal your feeling. Let's start making. We're gonna need 2 tablespoons of Osmanthus flowers, 2 tablespoons Chinese wolfberries, 10 grams jelly, 100 grams sugar. At first, we soak the Osmanthus flowers in warm water in 5 minutes. Then we strain the water. Wash the wolfberries in clean water. Make a jelly with fine sugar. You can also use rock sugar if you want to. You can use 50 grams fine sugar and 50 grams rock sugar. The fine sugar is to mix with the jelly and the rock sugar is to cook with the water later until the rock sugar totally dissolved. Of course, rock sugar can make the taste of the jelly better. Bring to boil 1 liter of water and add Osmanthus flowers. Boil in 5 minutes. Add wolfberries and let simmer in another 5 minutes. Add jelly and sugar mixture and stir constantly until it boils and becomes transparent. Prepare a mold. Here I use a microwave plastic box. Pour the mixture in. Stir a bit to make sure that all the wolfberries and flowers are all over the box. Then put it in the fridge. Until the jelly is set and cool, take it out. Cut the jelly into bite-sized pieces. So, we have osmanthus flower jelly. It is a nice dessert for breakfast. And it is best served with osmanthus flower tea. If you guys like this video, please thumb up and share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.